we're going to talk about adverbs. An adverb modifies. It changes, enhances, limits, describes, intensifies, muffles a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. These are the only three parts of speech that an adverb can modify. Adverbs also answer the questions how, or when, or where, or to what degree. Also, many adverbs do end in ly, however they don't all. But if you see a word that ends in ly and answers these questions, any of these questions, it's probably an adverb. So let's look at some sentences. Okay, I've kind of cheated here and I've grouped these sentences in a certain way. The first two answer the question, how? Okay, the verb here is figured out. How did they figure out? Like, in what manner did they figure it out? Did they figure it out over a long period of time? Did they figure it out slowly? No, they figured it out quickly. Okay, so this is an adverb. And again, it does end in ly, but that's just an extra. Okay, the next one will also have an adverb that answers the question how. It's nice to have a group that handles the situations better than others have. Okay, handles is a verb. What tells how this group handles? Well, better does. In this case, this adverb again modifies the verb. The second group is going to have adverbs that answer the question when. We are in a busy time now, the mayor said. What word answers the question when? Now. And again, this modifies the verb. Okay. Next sentence. Recently, we've allowed her to walk to school alone. Have allowed. And the question is when. What word tells when? Recently tells when. The next group has adverbs that answer the question where. Okay, the goat has climbed out. It has climbed, and if we ask where has it climbed, this is the answer. It's an adverb telling us where the goat climbed. Okay, recently we've allowed her to sneak outside and play. What word answers the question where? Well, the only one I see is outside. All right, the last group has adverbs that answer the question to what degree or to what extent. Okay. The verb is did sound. Okay. Now this one ends in ly, so maybe it is the adverb that we're talking about here. But let's see what it modifies. Well, it modifies concerned. And what part of speech is concerned? Well, it describes the subject, and it's an adjective. So it's a predicate adjective. So yes, overly can be an adverb because adverbs may modify adjectives. All right. This has been a really nice group of people. This is the subject, has been is the verb, group is actually a predicate nominative because it renames this. So this is a noun. Is nice then an adverb? Do adverbs modify nouns? No. Adjectives modify nouns or pronouns. So this must be an adjective, nice. Well, this ends in ly, and it does tell to what extent, how nice they were, so it is an adverb, modifying nice. I hope this has helped you a little bit more with adverbs.